How to recover archived stories on Instagram. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pinbestnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can recover archived story on Instagram. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide it through. In order to recover your archived stories on Instagram, simply open up Instagram. Once you have done so, you want to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen, and from here you want to tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of your screen. Once here you can see the option that says archive. You want to tap on it. Once under archive, you can see I'm on stories archive option, but if you are there on any other archive, you want to tap at the top left, and then you can see you'll be able to switch to either live archive, post archive, or stories archive. If you are on any other archive, simply switch to stories archive. Then you can tap on the image there, and then you can add it to highlight, or you can share it as well. You can tap on more and you can save the photo, you can send the photo as well. So this is how you can recover archive stories on Instagram. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.